Alright, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching this video. This video is all about what happens when Moon is in conjunction with Saturn in the birth chart. What are the remedies? Let me tell you what is Moon. Moon represents mind, Moon represents feelings, Moon represents thoughts, Moon represents mother, Moon represents mother-in-law, Moon represents elder sister, Moon represents liquids, Moon represents traveling, Moon represents cheating, Moon represents loss, Moon represents blames, Moon represents expenditure, Moon represents adultery, Moon represents changes, Moon represents cold and water. And what exactly is Saturn? Saturn represents elder brother, Saturn represents working industry because Saturn happened to be Karaka for your career. Saturn represents slowness, Saturn represents delays, Saturn represents denials. Alright? So, what happens when Moon is in conjunction with Saturn? So, this represents a malefic kind of combination. Why? Because Moon happened to be a benefic planet and Saturn happened to be a malefic planet, and both are not friends to each other. Saturn and Moon doesn't go well with each other. So, during this point of time, this person will undergo emotional stress, and at the same time these people also experience a lot of delays and denials, and there will be a lot of confusion and turmoil that will be existing in the mindset of this person. Why? Because Saturn represents confusion and Moon represents mind, and at the same time these people will be doing tremendous hard work with regards to the career, but at the same time they will not be receiving a good amount of recognition and rewards for their hard work. Alright, so that generally happens if at all Saturn and Moon are in conjunct with each other, especially in the 5th house, 9th house and 10th house. This effect can be seen a lot in terms of even enjoying the comforts and the general happiness, because 5th house talks about comforts and general happiness, and the 9th house talks about fortune. The fortune comes up after the age of 35, and ideally in the 10th house this represents a lot of turmoil and confusion with regards to the workplace environment and also with the bosses. And also Saturn plus Moon conjunction represents transfer. Saturn plus Moon conjunction represents change of job or profession or a business, and Saturn and Moon conjunction represents losses in business, unnecessary blames, and this person also spends a lot of money. There will be a lot of unnecessary expenditure, and these people undergo cheating, and at the same time there will be frequent traveling across different countries and places, and there will be sudden changes in the life. And Moon represents mother, so mother also will undergo ill health because of this combination, and depending upon the mother's horoscope as well, we have to see to come into a final conclusion. But ideally this is what the prediction or analysis I would like to give for Moon and Chandra, that is Moon and Saturn and Moon conjunction. Ideally, what are the remedies? If I talk about the remedies, Moon represents mind. So if you do a kind of meditation, if you do some kind of breathing exercises on day-to-day basis, then you can able to calm your mind. At the same time, it's a great stress relief as well to deal with depression and emotional fatigue as well. And Saturn represents Saturn is the Karaka for career. So these people will be tremendously working hard, but at the same time, let me tell you, Saturn and Moon conjunction happen to be in your 10th house. You have to be very disciplined and punctual at your work, and most importantly, I don't say that you should behave passive in the workplace environment. Trying to behave assertive and ensure that you maintain good relationships with your bosses as well as your co-workers, because that will bring up the credibility, that will build up the personal brand across, and your name will be remembered by lot many people. Otherwise, it will lead to conflicts. You should not give any kind of room with regards. You should not give room for ego, attitude, as well as any kind of friction with your employees or with bosses. So maintain good relationships with your professional subordinates, as well as even with your family members as well. So that is the best remedy I would like to give. And also keep serving charity. Do some charity, help the people who are in need. Go to NGOs, serve the orphanage, because, and especially the handicapped people, the people who are deaf, dumb, and who doesn't able to walk properly, who cannot able to eat properly, try to do some service for them and donate some money for charities. That will erase the karmic debts that has been accumulated for you, and this will help you in terms of raising your personal profile as well. All right, so that's the best remedy I would like to give you for this combination, because this is a This is a pure malefic combination because Moon happened to be a Karaka for mind and it's a benefic planet, and whereas Saturn happened to be a malefic planet. So these two conjunction always brings up the malefic results. So you have to take care of on these areas. Alright. So and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. And if at all you need my astrological consultations, the link is mentioned in the description section. Do book for an astrological consultation. Once I get a consultation order, I'll be able to help you with the complete analysis pertaining to your individual birth chart. And please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And my objective is to help you with the knowledge of Vedic astrology, which I've been doing by recording so many videos in terms of with regards to the Vedic astrology. So please learn the concepts from these videos, and please share this video with your family and friends if at all they have interest towards learning astrology, and that would be of great help for your loved ones. Alright, so let me know in the comment section what exactly you learned from this video, what exactly you loved from this video, so that I know that you're following my videos. So thank you so much, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel if at all you haven't, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.